Finger picking for beginners. Now I'm going to be using 3 chords, G, C and D, but all the action is really with the right hand. Now it'll be the thumb, which is going to play either the 6th, the 5th or the 4th string. The first finger or index finger is only going to play the 3rd string. The second finger or middle finger is only going to play the 2nd string. And the third finger or ring finger is only going to play the 1st string. Now with finger picking, I've got nails on my hands, but you probably don't have nails long enough or strong enough, so you can just use the flesh of the finger. That's absolutely no problem. The thumb strikes the bass string in a downward motion as part of a little circle. So it comes back up. That's the G, the C, and the open D, G. The fingers are going to move through the strings. This is very important. You don't pluck the string up or pull it, you move through it, and you move diagonally through it. The fingers can be bent so. The classical way is to keep the finger rigid and to move from the knuckle joint, but a lot of folk players just sort of tend to do a combination of the two, moving an awful lot from this joint here as well. So for the first exercise, we're going to use the thumb and the first finger on a G chord, and then C, and D. And next, with 2 fingers, it'll be in 3, going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C, D, and the last one, all 3 fingers. Now when you've got the finger movement under control, you can start mixing it up and make up your own patterns like this one. Or maybe this.